Okay, so I clean. As a parent, all you could do is do your part. As a parent, all you could do is do your part. And I did my part and brought him, clean my house, get me and my baby stuff organized. It's a whole bunch of stuff that I gotta do before tonight. And I really want to be really up and leaving out my house at like 10:50, something like that. We don't stay that far from the muster show. We don't stay that far from the muster show. You know. So I'll just update you guys. I'm finna do morning routines, drink coffee and stuff like that. But I keep you guys updated along the way. It is officially 6:57, you guys. And if you know me, you know I haven't did too much of nothing. Just did morning readings. I just did morning readings. I gotta pee. Okay, so I cleaned up all this little area. I know it don't look like it's cleaned up because I had to put most of the stuff back there, but I cleaned up all that. Now I am cleaning up this mess. Don't judge me. Don't judge me. Just know I'm trying to clean it up now. Okay. Boom. Clean this up. And all this. Me and Uno is officially on our way to the monster truck show, but we already starting to run late. What you trying to show them? He had a Mario Kart car, of course. So we off to the monster truck show, and we'll see y'all once we get there. You gonna miss it? It ain't even started.
What? What side do we got?
The what?
Till the bus still starts?
A little while.
Whoa, I better hurry up, bro.
Yeah, I guess so. Stop running so fast.
Look at that car.
I see that car.
What car do we need?
It's probably just a dummy car. Let me get your car. Thanks. You gonna be able to come down like that? Picture by this one. No, son, that's not yours. Why you ain't bring a monster truck instead of a Mario Kart? That's what you bought. So that means so you won't go too close to it. Oh no, still wait. What? Come on. I'll take your hand. Alright. Well, I'm still That's cute. Look at this, it's a truck.
Mommy, come on. Put that.
You ready for me to open it, huh? What? Boy. Didn't I just tell you to be careful? I see, Bubba. Not because you're so scared, but because he said he ready to go. You think so? But he could have decided he was ready to go before we stood in line for forever for food that he ain't even eat, or before we sitting there wasting my money on it. But as a parent, all you could do is do your part. As a parent, all you could do is do your part. And I did my part and brought him to the monster truck show. So I ain't even mad because I'm ready to go too. I've been ready to go. I was just going to sit there because he wanted to go. But what you think about the monster truck show? You ain't like that too much no more? You can be honest, Mama not mad.
That was awesome too.
It was awesome, but you didn't like. You was ready to go.
Yeah, it was scary.
Yeah, he said it was scaring him a little. It is like hella super loud. I do advise you if you bring your kids to this, get them some of them real high tech earphones because baby, that noise in there is ooh. I can still hear it right now. So pretty much, since we got that off our menu, we thought we was gonna be there until like get in the car so I can let you talk to them. I ain't gonna lie, the hamburger I ate was busting. I smashed it for sure. Of course, I bought him a $25 monster truck that he better keep up with. It better be. I think it's in your pocket. Ooh. I do gotta start doing stuff with my baby more because I just feel like I just don't got it together. I feel like what? I'm glad it didn't too. And look. Yeah, you want me to keep it in my purse? Put it back there with your stuff.
Bobby,
What? So I'm finna call my mama, see what she up to. Today is Saturday. We don't usually go over there on Saturdays, but because it's only like 1 o'clock, I'm pretty sure she don't want him to come over there that early. But he said he was ready to go. You ready to go by your mama? Or you want to go home? So you can do what? Oh, I can still hear him too. We finna get ready to go. I got a blunt. I ain't gonna start smoking it though until we is close on our way. But I'll be back. I don't think that's what's gonna happen just because if they bring their kids here. That's not what's gonna happen. That's not what's gonna happen. That's not what's gonna happen. Did yours fall in the stadium? I think your delivery was totally off on that one. We're gonna have to try again. Tell them again what you're trying to say. What? I don't know what you're talking about. Tell them again. Because I don't know what you're talking about. It wasn't what? Say it again. Tell them. It wasn't what? I'm saying what you told them about bringing their kids here. Okay, alright, don't even worry about it. But alright, you guys, we out of here. We finna get ready to go.